Okay, so next is we have uh we have we have Charles law. Anyway, you can read these things, okay? So I will just I think I would be just fast as I could. Uh, I mean, I think I'm not fast, but of course, considering that you might be getting the hang, you're not getting the hang of it. So, medyo may pagkakuan pa rin to actually. Pagkahungit-hungit. So, next is you have Charles Law. The Charles Law states that you're at constant pressure, at constant, at constancy, maybe I'll reword it, at constant pressure. No, I think I have to have a bigger, yes, where is bigger ink? At constant pressure, your constant pressure, your volume is directly proportional with your temperature. Just like what I did with Boyle's law, I only have to say volume now is equal to a constant times temperature. So that constant is probably a different constant. I mean, that's a constant, but iba ito nga constant na akong Boyle's law, ha? So maybe I could have a constant that V is equal to mt. Okay? And then you can say if you have two instances, same as what I did, you have V over T is equal to constant. So if you have V1 all over T1 is equal to K, and then you have V2 all over T2 is again equal to K, then you would have V1 all over T1 is equal to V2 all over T2. So that is your Charles law. And then also, lalaksin ko na lang Amonton's law. Amonton's law, I think, would be at constant volume. At constant volume. So, I'm just reading the book sa, um, kung lang to, based on my memory. So, at constant volume, again, you have a relationship between your pressure and temperature. Okay? So, basically, the relationship is pressure is directly proportional with your temperature. So, you can say again, P is equal to K or N T, and then you have P1 all over T1 is equal to N, and then P2 is all over T2 is equal to N. So, basically, you have P1, T1 is equal to N. So those are the three laws, basic laws, basic gas laws. Okay, and you can read that on your gas. So, paspasan ko lang. And then there's also a combined law. I think it's the Amonton's combined law. Kaya lang yung di ko na namduman, because that's what I can remember, Amonton's law and then combined gas law. Some books doesn't actually discusses Amonton's law, but they go directly to the combined law. Meaning, if you have a relationship between Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Amonton's law, that you have Boyle's law is at constant pressure, you have P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So um, that is your Boyle's law. Charles' law is V1 all over T1 is equal to V2 all over T2. And then your Amonton's law is P1 all over T1, P2 all over T2. So, actually, ini nga tutulo, kung may problem man, you only have to look at the given. If uh, what is given is only pressure and volume, so that would be Boyle's law. You can just apply Boyle's law to it. Okay? If the problem only contains volume and temperature, you apply Charles' law. If the problem contains pressure and temperature only, then you apply Amonton's law. But if it contains P, V, and T, so maybe you're talking about combined gas law. But because you can actually insist that if these three is present, P, the product of P and V is directly proportional with your temperature. Meaning multiplying your pressure and volume in that instance is directly proportional with the temperature. And then you can derive a relationship with this. PV is equal to KT. And then actually your ideal gas law is somehow derived like this. Okay? But of course, you have to input the gas constant for all things to be accounted. They rely a constant, but you will be talking of the gas constant related to your number of moles. That's why you have your ideal gas, which is the masyadong kilala for gases. Okay? So you have PVKT. So if that is P1, V1, that is T1. And then you have P2, V2 is equal to KT2, or you can say P1 V1 all over T1 is equal to K, and then P2 K2 all over T2 is equal to, sorry, this is V2 is equal to K. Then you can actually derive a combined gas law. P1 V1 all over T1 is equal to P2 V2 all over T2, and we call that combined gas law. Okay? So, if the problem doesn't contain a number of moles, so maybe you'll just be using the combined gas law. Okay? So, actually, ibutang tanaladayan iton ideal gas law. Ay, actually, inirangatanan, Boyle's law, Charles law, Monton's law, you can use that for ideal gases. Okay? Um, Usually, because that's also the derivation. But anyway, for ideal gas, kung ginbutang talaga problem ng ideal gas, then maybe you only have to use the ideal gas law, which is actually derived from this three. Madeta derivation, diri ko nagdi-derive kay damot of course nga istorya. Your PV all over T is directly proportional with constant, and that constant um is being counted as number of moles. So basically, it would be constant R and then multiplied by your number of moles N. So sugad na lang ito ya. Ang imo kaya na ginhimo nga R, which is general for all gases. For all gases, pero ideal ya. Okay, makikita naton nga iton sunod din is non-ideal. Meaning, halos nga tanan nga gas, of course, kung labi na kung diri over it era mga parameters, diri over it pressure, diri over, I mean over isig taasin duro or mubunduro. Diri taasin duro pressure, diri mo himubunduro or taasin duro volume, and diri mo or taasin duro temperature. You can usually solve it using ideal gas, and the values that you can get with it is not really far from the real. Because when you look at the real gases equation, madugang lakitahin again another proportionality constant for different gases. Ngan may table kita ito. So basically, pag ang problem nimo diri magsiringhin real gases, you can always assume an ideal one. Okay? But in application wise, labi na nga dot mga planta, labi na kung OA iton mga parameters, because of course, your pressure, volume, and temperature can be controlled. Diba? Your volume, like your volume, you can control it with a piston. Your pressure, yes, you can also control it with putting much of the let your shilane. Your shilane is high pressure. Ani mo 11 kilos kung gas ito ya, iluluag itong duro. Pero kay compress sira imo solane, so makikita nimo solane nimo bagan may liquid na ya sulod. Pero actually those are gases. Liquefied petroleum gas. Okay? So for LPG, pwede ka pagkapit magamit hin ideal gas, pero pag hitaas na god, pwede matikang ka na pag-deviate ngadto ha real gases to really account and details. Okay? So we have the ideal gas, which is PV is equal to nRT. Okay? So that is the gas loss, and then you have your ideal gas. So orhiong kulaan imo real gases kay madugang lakita ito ha ideal gasin another constant for different substances. But for your PV is equal to nRT, bisan ano nga mga gas, you can always assume an ideal basta waray magsiring nga real gas. Okay? So that is your um, real gas. Nga na mo lang ito, mga equation. Another thing nga pwede natin i-add din is concept of may nagtatawag nga STP. STP, so meron nga ni STP, it stands for standard temperature and pressure. Danay kasi itong problem, mahataglaya problem volume tapos mastering na at STP. So meron nga ni STP meaning standard temperature and pressure. Your standard temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So sa meron nga ni STP, may dakadayon ito number. Okay? Nay, ha? Standard, sorry. I think your STP is 0. So, yun na, nangalimot na sir. Upaya daw ito, sir, nangalimot ka man. Anay, ha? Paraong ko anay. Klaroong ko anay, libro kay nangalimot ka kini. Or, nawawara lang siguro ako. Standard STP. Saan ko, ha? STP. Sa STP, oy, ada chapter 5 ano, kuan. So, your STP is, ano ba tiya ko nito? Your STP is at STP. So, meron nga ni STP, um, may dakasit niya pressure and temperature. Katantal. Dilak magsarap. The volume at STP is 22.4. Yes, it's another constant. But your STP has, ano ito ya? 0, sorry. So, your STP is 0 degrees Celsius and 180 m. Adi man, no? So, that is your STP condition. Standard temperature is 0 and standard pressure is 1. So, usually, mastering that problem is TP. So, pag saringan is TP, ma-0 ka dayon hit imo, ma-0 ka dayon imo temperature, 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Okay? And then your pressure would be equal to 180 m. So, amo lang ito usually ito din a-add at mga problem. Okay? So, may I cut anay and then we go to real gases.